morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10th exercise 3.6. Question number 2 part 2. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method, second, algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system, second, inconsistent system, third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical method. There are three types of algebraical method. First, substitution method, second, elimination method, third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by algebraic methods, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me, so do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.6 question number 2. Formulate the following problems. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equation and hence find their solution. Clear? Question second part second. 2 women and 5 men can together finish embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Question is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Here, according to first situation, 2 women and 5 men can finish in 4 days. According to second situation, 3 women, 6 men can finish in 3 days. Find time taken by one woman alone and time taken by one man alone. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the let work of one woman in 1 day equal to 1 by x part. Work of one woman in 1 day equal to 1 by x part, and work of one man in 1 day equal to 1 by y part. Clear? Work of one man in one day, 1 by y part. Work of one woman in one day, 1 by x part. Clear? Work of two women. Work of two women. And work of five men in one day. Equal to 2yx plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. Equation. It is equation first. 2 women and 5 men can finish together in 4 days. So 2 women and 5 men can finish in 1 day, equal to 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. It is equation first. And work of here 3 women and work of 6 men in 1 day, equal to here 3 women 6 men, 3 by x plus 6 by y. They finish it in 3 days, equal to 1 by 3. Equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. Clear? Let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Then according to first equation and according to second equation, 2u plus 5v equal to 1 by 4. 2u plus 5v equal to 1 by 4. R 4 2 जा 8u plus 4 5 जा 20v equal to 1. Equation third. It is equation third. And here according to second equation, 3u plus 6v equal to 1 by 3. R here 1 by 3. You multiply by 3 in 3u and 6v. It become 3 3 ja 9u plus 3 6 ja 18v equal to 1. It is equation 4. You find equation 3 and equation 4. Clear? Now multiply by 8 in equation 4 and multiply by 9 in equation 3. Clear? Multiply by 9 in equation third and multiply by 8 in equation 4. Multiply by 9, this 9 in equation 3rd and multiply by 8 in equation 4. Clear? It become 9 8 ja 72u plus 9 multiply 20 180 v equal to 9 multiply 1 9. It is equation 5. Now multiply by 8 in equation 4. 8 9 ja 72 u plus 8 multiply 18 144 v equal to 8 multiply 1 equal to 8. It is equation 2nd. Clear? Subtract equation 5 from equation 6. Subtract equation 5 from 6. Clear? 6 is 72u plus 144v equal to 8. It is 6 72u plus 180v equal to 9. It is 5. Draw a line and change its sign. Here minus and here minus. You can cut 72u plus 72u and minus 72u. Here plus 144v and here minus 180. You subtract it. It become minus 36v equal to here plus 8 here minus 9. Subtract it, it become minus 1. You can cut minus and minus. Clear? You find v equal to 1 by 36. You find v equal to 1 by 36 or v equal to 1 by 36. Clear? You find v equal to 1 by 36. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Put v equal to 1 by 36 in equation 5 or 6. Put in equation 5. In equation 5. Clear? Equation 5 is 72u plus 180v equal to 9. It is equation 5. Clear? Put v equal to 1 by 36. Here 72u plus 180 multiply 1 by 36 equal to 9. Clear? You cut it. 18 10 ja 180, 18 2 ja. Clear? Here 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. Clear? It become 72u plus 5 equal to 9. You write 5 on right side of equal. It become 72u equal to 9 minus 5 equal to 4. You cut it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 18 ja 72. You find u equal to 18u equal to 1 or u equal to 1 by 18. You find u equal to 1 by 18. Here 1 by 18. Clear? And v equal to 1 by 36. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here hence Here you let 1 by x equal to u. So you write u equal to 1 by x equal to, here u 1 by 18. 1 by 18 cross multiply r x equal to 18 and v equal to, here 1 by 36 equal to, here let v equal to 1 by y. 1 by y cross multiply r y equal to 36. Clear? We solve. Equations and we find x equal to 18. Here let work of one woman in one day equal to 1 by x part. X equal to 18 days and y equal to 36 days. It is your answer. You solve your question very easily and you find your answer very easily. You find x equal to 18 days and y equal to 36 days. It means one woman can finish the work in 18 days and one man can finish the work in 36 days. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here you can write one woman can finish equal to 18 days and one man can finish equal to 36 days. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear? No confusion? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget. Like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.